Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in New Kingston and we're giving you an update on Holborn House. That is the 8-story building we're looking at. The building is located at the corner of Dumfries Road and Holborn Road. Prime real estate in Jamaica. Now the building is 8 floors. Floors 1 to 4 will be used for parking and floors 5 to 8 will be commercial space. The building will have 20,000 square feet of rentable space. Now it's unfortunate that you have to use 4 floors for parking, but New Kingston is a very developed area. It's actually the business hub of Jamaica. This is actually Halburn Road now, so we're giving you a view of the building from Halburn Road. So New Kingston is very developed and there isn't a lot of space. So you find that the buildings are going higher now and they're coming with they're being built with either basement parking or a few floors will be used for parking, like a parking garage. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And based on where they are now with the construction, I would say this building should be finished sometime this year. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.